actually going to get your car washed for you today.
Okay.
Part of our Belco Gives Back program, we're just trying to do nice things in the community. And we're also giving out 2 free tickets to Comedy Works.
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome.